Hey guys, your man Joe, and today we're going to be doing a camera review of the GoPro 7. I had this early this year, sometime early this year. I did post a video about it. Um, so at that time, yeah, I want to say my review on the GoPro 7 is it's a very good camera. Um, Stabilization is awesome. If you wanted to know, I made a video on the Tokyo when me and my fiance the went to the little Tokyo when we was riding those scooters. Those are the time. That was the time when I was using this one. The stabilization making everything look all slow. I was going fast, y'all. I was going fast, but yeah. I also wanted to say that it's a very good quality camera. Now, the bad part that also wanted to point out is that if you live in very hot areas or if it's like a hot day, you're gonna possibly have a difficulty with this because there are often times where I would put this on my dashboard, and especially if it heats up, it'll start to freeze, or just not work or yeah, it will most likely to freeze. Just recently, I was in Vegas for doing a shoot for my job, and ooh, that had difficulty a little bit. I would say that I would get it in the heat. When I was out there, I would probably say that I would get at least 5 minutes of footage, then it would cut off, or 5 minutes of footage, or it would just cut off after that. Some I had a lot of damaged footage into this sometimes due to the heat. Um, yeah, but overall, I'm just saying for those who people who live in like hot areas like California, Arizona, Texas, or the bottomless pit, yeah, you're gonna definitely gonna have some problems with this camera. But overall, it is a good camera. At the time, this was how much this was? Was it 600 or 400? I think it was 400, right? Was it 400 or 600 when it came out? Yeah, I believe it was like at least $400 for this one. But I think they probably lowered the price because I just recently found out the new GoPro 8 is coming out next month, I believe, sometime this fall, in October. Yeah, I have heard about this some months ago. Um, yeah, am I planning to get it? Probably not right away. We probably just putting out the 8 because it's Christmas season. Um, but overall, uh, yeah. So that's finished my review. I believe I give it the GoPro 7. I give it at least out of 1 to 10. I give it at least a 7. Even though it has its little glitches and glares, but yeah, at least a 7 for it. It's not really much of a bad camera. But overall, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys thought about the GoPro 7. Do you like it? Do you don't like it? What was your problems when you had the GoPro 7? So it's your man Joe. See you guys in another video. So okay, all right.